Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert pictures in MS Word. Very easy and a simple method to insert this picture in MS Word. So firstly need to click on insert and here you see this pictures option, so just click on it and now select your picture. I will save in download folder, so just select it and click on insert. So you see this, you can very easily insert this picture and you can customize this picture by here. You see this different type of this frame, and you can also give effect like glow and other, so you can very easily customize by here. So this way you can insert pictures in Word very easily. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.